Hello everyone. Today, I want to share with you the life journey of a small bird species that lives in my country. Here, it's often referred to as the Chaap Dangkov bird, a name inspired by its skill in catching insects, especially grasshoppers and dragonflies. Interestingly, although it usually catches grasshoppers, in this video we'll see that it feeds mostly dragonflies to its young. This bird's story begins during the rainy season in Southeast Asia. The wind is strong, the rain is frequent, and the air smells of soil and leaves. It is in this season that these birds become most active. This is the time when they begin their journey of finding a mate and preparing to bring new life into the world. But unlike many other bird species, the female of this species doesn't rely on the male to build a nest. The male bird doesn't care much about where or how the nest is built. It is the female who takes full responsibility. Knowing she must eventually attract a mate, she begins by scouting for the perfect location, somewhere hidden, safe, and protected from predators and the elements. She then begins the painstaking process of building the nest. Using thin grass blades, broken rice stalks, or tiny strips of leaves, she weaves and wraps them around branches and twigs. Her skill and patience are remarkable. She knows exactly what materials to choose and how to shape the nest just right. It takes her between 5 to 7 days to complete the nest. Only once it's done does she begin calling out to the male, sending signals to let him know she's ready. What may seem like a light-hearted dance in nature is actually a serious matter, a law of survival that has existed for generations, invisible to most of us. When she finally finds her partner, and they settle into the nest, it's time to lay eggs. Usually, she lays between 1 to 5 eggs. Then begins the incubation stage. She spends around 10 days gently sitting on the eggs, protecting them from the cold and the rain, until they begin to hatch, one after another. Tiny chicks are born, blind, soft, and helpless. From here, both the male and female take turns flying out from dawn to dusk to find food. Dragonflies, worms, and small bugs are caught and brought back to feed their young. They work together, tirelessly, day after day. Slowly, the chicks grow. Around the 10th day, you'll notice feathers beginning to appear. Their wings begin to stretch, and their bodies become stronger. This is the preparation phase before they leave the nest. When the time comes, the baby birds begin to flap their wings. They hop out of the nest, one by one. Their first flight is short, but it is a big step. However, their journey is far from over. Even after leaving the nest, these chicks still rely on their parents. For the next 7 to 10 days, the adult birds continue to feed them. The chicks are still learning, still adapting. They haven't mastered how to catch food on their own yet. But little by little, day by day, they grow more independent. This is nature. Quiet, patient, and deeply wise. Thank you for watching this documentary. I hope it brought you a peaceful and inspiring look into the hidden life of birds in our region. See you in the next video.